Come test drive this 2013 Subaru Impreza. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. Subaru prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and much more. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.